RDVMs, practice managers and surgeons will love the new referral and sharing features in VPOP 3.0. Refer and share cases with other VPOP users without leaving the platform, saving time and improving efficiency. VPOP-free users, ideal for RDVMs and admins, can refer a case to a VPOP Mobile Pro surgeon. Navigate to the case, ensure all information is complete, and click Add Surgeon in the Referral and Sharing section. Add VPOP users by entering their username and clicking Add User. You can assign the following roles to shared users: RDVM, surgeon, admin, or viewer. RDVMs and admins can create and add case details, add users, see case plans. Only surgeons can edit plans with a VPOP Mobile Pro subscription. A viewer can only view the case. Sharing in VPOP is flexible. Add users in any order to fit your workflow. Admin first, then the surgeon, or directly to the surgeon. You can even set up a VPOP free account for your operating room to ensure the case is accessible in the theater. From the surgeon's perspective, new cases are referred to you with a notification. Open it, click Accept, and the case is added to your list. Plan the case and communicate with other users in case chat. Mobile Pro users can add a VPOP referral form to your website. When an RDVM submits a case, it goes directly into your VPOP account for acceptance or rejection. The RDVM is encouraged to sign up for a free VPOP account to follow the case. Installation instructions for the referral form are on your company page in VPOP. Ask your website administrator to add the necessary code and button. And that's it. Start using the new referral and sharing features in VPOP to streamline your workflow. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more how-to and deep dive planning videos. For further information or to contact support, visit vpoppro.com.